Yes, boys, welcome back to another trade recap. Today is Tuesday the 9th of June 2026. We took one trade, one win, and I passed me EVAL finally. We're finally back funded after about a month. It's been a rough few weeks, but we're finally back, and I'm getting this payout this time. I'm getting my payout. I'm getting this payout. But yeah, I'm finally back funded. I'm not even happy. Like, obviously, I'm happy I'm funded, but like, I know I can pass evals pretty easy. It's just about getting this payout now, and I feel the best I've ever felt with my trading. I actually feel disciplined. I'm super locked in, so I think this time I actually will. But yeah, let's get into the trade recap. Today was pretty nice. If I was funded, I don't think I would have took a trade today because I sort of did go against my strategy. But to me, it was super obvious, and I'm on eval, so that's what it is. Take these risky trades because I'm just trying to pass it as quick as possible. Yeah, so super nice eval trade. But yeah, if I was funded and shit, probably would not take a trade. But yeah, I don't mind. I do not mind taking this on eval. Right, 9:30. What was my bias today? I was bearish. Not very bearish, but I was pretty bearish. But I did. I forgot what I was going to say, but yeah, I was bearish. But there was a chance of us being bullish as well, but I was pretty confident in us being bearish. Reason I was bearish was because we had just tapped into this daily fair value gap here. Tapped into this daily fair value gap, so I was looking for shorts pretty much. That was pretty much it. And we are just pretty bearish overall. If it would load. I hate when it does this, you know. Absolutely hate when it does this. Let me go back. Yeah, so yeah, we tapped into this daily fair value gap here. We had all this low resistance below. We had this 1 hour below. So what I wanted today, sorry, I got like a bit of skin on my lip. I wanted this daily fair value gap to rebalance us. I wanted it to come down to this 1 hour fair value gap for us to continue the uptrend. I just wanted to mainly take the slow resistance. Just look at all the slow resistance. So yeah, I was pretty confident in being bearish. So I just wanted short, and say we did get to this 1 hour fair value gap and there was a good long opportunity, I wouldn't mind taking longs from this 1 hour fair value gap. But I really just wanted shorts today. And yeah, we got some, so it's just what it is. And we passed eval. But yeah. So let me just play price a bit. We just started dumping. Let me turn this off a sec. Yeah, and then we did take this. We did take this high out in this daily fair value gap, and there just wasn't no shorts. I mean, you could have took this, but I just didn't like it. I wanted to see us sweep this in a quick, let's say, quick reaction from the sweep, and we just didn't get that. As you can see, we just started going up, and I was starting to look a bit more bullish now towards this unfilled 4 hour. And I was actually seeing if there was any longs from here, but as you can see, we just ran through it. And then once we ran through this, that's when I solidified my bearish. Like, I was super bearish now, knowing that we've ran through this. We've inversed this fair value gap. There was no need to come back up, and yeah, I just wanted shorts at this point. So we formed this 5 minute, didn't get anything there. We formed another 5 minute, didn't get anything there, and I was like, bro, like, what is going on here? Just give us a little fucking continuation. And we just didn't get any of that. And then we had this 5 minute fair value gap, which formed. And I did like this, but also, as you can see, I've got it written out there, 15-minute fair value gap. We were forming a 15-minute fair value gap pretty close to when we tapped into this at 10:30. So yeah, I was a bit iffy about this because we had the 15-minute fair value gap. And I would have took this, I think, if we did get this 3-minute inverse. 2 seconds. If we did get this 3-minute inverse, on this candle, and this first candle, if we just displays through this straight away, I would have took this. I wouldn't have cared about this 50-minute fair value gap. And the reason for this, because this Asia low is a strong DOL, because it is a 4-hour intermediate low. And the reason I was super bearish at this point, and I didn't care about the 50-minute fair value gap, oh my god, if this does us one more time, was because, sorry boys, I'm going to lose my head in a minute, because why is it so? Right. Oh my god. If this does this one more time. There we go. And the reason I'm so bearish was because, wait there a minute, let me go a bit more back. This wasn't the reason I was bearish. Yeah, it's because we're super forward. The reason I was bearish, finally, bloody hell, it took us ages, was because ES had this 1 hour equal low, and this 1 hour equal low was also an unfilled 1 hour fair value gap. Just look how perfect this is. And now hourly equal lows and a 1 hour fair value gap. This is the strongest draw ever, even if it is on ES. We're going to come down to this. So I wanted shorts, and I wouldn't have minded this 3-minute short, even if we got this 50-minute fair value gap, but we did not get that. And yeah, we just chopped in around a bit. Then I was looking like I could take a 1-minute CISD entry if we do get it, because I was just super confident in this. I just didn't think we'd come up to this 50-minute fair value gap, but we never got that. We just started chopping around, and then this happened. We had this little 1-minute inverse here, and I just knew as soon as I saw this candle, once we got this 1-minute CISD and this inverse, I was super confident. I did get in a little bit early before we did actually close this candle. I was just super confident in it. I went break even once ES took these hourly lows, and I literally just held this until I passed my eval, which I needed like $800. So I just waited, and it was pretty much TP, yeah, like somewhere here. I got out a bit before we actually hit the 1-to-1, and yeah, and I passed the eval. Yeah, I don't mind this trade. Like I said, if I was funded, I would not take this, just because like it isn't really the Met mode. It's not my strategy. And we have this 50-minute fair value gap, so I would have been a bit more cautious if I was funded. But on eval, I'm happy with this trade. Like, it's past my eval, and I was super confident in us going lower. So yeah, I'm happy with this trade. We've got this AISD, we've got this 1-minute inverse. Good confluences. Like, we had the 5-minute fair value gap tap. We did get this 3-minute inverse as well, by the way. So yeah, it is a really good trade. But like I said, if I was funded, like now I am funded, I would not take a trade like this. But on eval, I'm taking this over and over again. So yeah, it's a decent trade for sure. Like, but it just didn't follow. I mean, I followed my rules. I went against my strategy a bit. But yeah, I'm actually really happy with it. I can't complain. But yeah, we're back funded, so yeah, I will get this payout this time, boys. I'm going to get my first payout. I'm feeling confident as ever out on my trading, feeling super disciplined. Going to go binge gym this morning, and now I'm going to go for a 5k run, because I'm feeling good. And I would anyway, even if I lost it, I'd still go for this 5k. But yeah, that's it. If you want to cop an account with Alpha Futures, use code SMG. There's 25% off right now. You've got till Sunday, I think. So yeah, use code SMG if you want any Alpha Futures accounts. Join the Discord, follow my socials, follow my TikTok and all that. And yeah, boys, in a bit, hopefully my next recap is my first win on the funded. But yeah, we'll see in a bit, boys.